Imagine a magical golden dust, so powerful it's been used for over 2,500 years to treat a whole rainbow of ailments. A spice so revered it's been passed down from generation to generation, whispered as a secret of health and longevity. This mysterious substance is not from a fairy tale but from the vibrant fields of India. Its name? Turmeric, a key ingredient in curry powder that turns your meals into a feast of color and flavor. But it's not just a pretty addition to your plate. This spice also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Inhale its warm, earthy aroma added to hot water, and you could ease congestion. Sip a soothing drink made from its juice, and you could help heal wounds and bruises. Rub its paste onto your skin, and you might soothe a host of skin conditions. So what makes this golden-hued gem so special? And why has it been treasured for centuries as a secret weapon against disease? Let's embark on a magical journey to discover the amazing health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric, a humble spice in our kitchen, has been our silent guardian of health for thousands of years, its golden color concealing its true power. You may know turmeric as the spice that makes your favorite curry yellow, but it's not just a pretty color. Inside turmeric's bright yellow color hides an even stronger ally, curcumin. Quiet yet strong, curcumin is always ready to boost our health and can help us fight many health problems. Yeah, some of which might surprise you. This antioxidant part acts like a superhero, fighting the bad stuff that can make our bodies sick. Now prepare for some big surprises as we find out about 5 health problems that turmeric, with help from curcumin, may help us beat. So get ready for an exciting trip into the amazing world of turmeric. Number 1. Prevents the development of Alzheimer's disease. Our journey starts with a visit to a complex maze, a symbol of the brain affected by Alzheimer's disease. It's a place where memories get lost and daily routines turn into puzzles. This is the devastating reality for those living with Alzheimer's, a progressive and heart-wrenching disease. So with turmeric and curcumin on our side, health issues won't feel like a mountain that's impossible to climb. Acting as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, curcumin sweeps away the dangerous obstacles, such as beta-amyloid plaques, that block the paths in our brains. By reducing inflammation and protecting neurons, turmeric and curcumin together step up to the plate, giving a helpful boost to memory and cognitive function. Think of the happiness when you finally reach the top of the mountain, with memories no longer forgotten but clear and bright. Turmeric, our common golden spice, could possibly be a shining light of hope in dealing with Alzheimer's. 2. Relieves joint pain. Now, we shift our focus from the brain's challenges to another critical area of our body, our joints. Could our joint health be significantly improved by regularly including turmeric in our diet? For those with arthritis, these joints are a constant source of pain and inflammation. Each movement feels like a battle, and every step is a challenge. But don't lose hope, because our golden spice, turmeric, can lend a hand. With its component curcumin, they can help reduce the inflammation causing this pain. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory effects, which could be as powerful as certain anti-inflammatory drugs, as per a study in 2016. So, turmeric may indeed bring relief and help to restore the freedom of movement to those living with arthritis. 3. Lowers risk of heart disease. Our heart is the body's constant engine, always pumping and providing life to every part of us. However, it is often threatened by heart disease, a problem that claims 1 out of every 5 lives in the United States. Could turmeric be the key to a healthier heart? Scientists discovered that curcumin is pretty good at shielding our hearts from health issues like inflammation, metabolic problems, and high cholesterol, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. There is evidence to suggest that curcumin might be as beneficial to our heart health as regular physical activity, especially for women after menopause. But one of the most fascinating things about curcumin is how it may support the endothelium. That's the inner lining of the heart and blood vessels, which allows blood to flow smoothly. If the endothelium is damaged, it can lead to heart disease, blood clots, and high blood pressure. Isn't it exciting to think that your next heart-healthy meal could be a simple sprinkle of turmeric away? Curcumin helps maintain a healthy endothelium, allowing blood to move freely through our veins and arteries, which could decrease the risk of heart disease. This property strengthens turmeric's reputation as a helper in our quest for a healthy heart. If turmeric can guard our hearts, can you guess what other health troubles it might be able to shield us from? Number 4, regulates blood sugar levels. In type 2 diabetes, our bodies struggle to respond properly to insulin, an essential hormone that regulates blood sugar. High blood sugar, if unchecked, can lead to severe health problems. Curious about how turmeric can play a role in type 2 diabetes? This is where curcumin can provide some much-needed help. By increasing our body's sensitivity to insulin, curcumin assists in maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Adding turmeric to your diet is like planting a health seed that could bloom into a tree of wellness. But that's not all. When there's excessive inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, insulin resistance can increase. This is similar to throwing fuel on a fire. Curcumin steps in here, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, thereby effectively controlling this escalating situation. For those teetering on the edge of developing type 2 diabetes, curcumin can play a crucial role. It can delay the progression of the disease by ensuring blood sugar levels remain in check and insulin sensitivity is sustained. Curcumin also positively impacts beta cells, the insulin producers in our pancreas. It not only boosts their functioning but also shields them from potential damage. Can you guess how turmeric might offer us a lifeline in a long-standing battle with one of our most fearsome diseases? 5. May help prevent cancer. What healing powers hide behind turmeric's vibrant yellow hue? Preliminary lab research suggests curcumin may have natural cancer-fighting abilities against several types of cancers. Studies have shown curcumin can shut off enzymes that allow cancer cells to spread. It may also block formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors. Is curcumin's potential broad enough to combat multiple cancer varieties? Some early findings suggest taking curcumin may help chemotherapy drugs work better against advanced colon and pancreatic cancers. Additionally, preliminary research shows promise for curcumin against other cancer types such as breast, colon, prostate, and lung cancers. However, more studies are still needed to determine if curcumin supplements can prevent or treat cancer in humans across this wide range of cancer varieties. In the future, curcumin may unlock new treatments for a wide array of cancers. For now, talk to your doctor before taking curcumin supplements, as they can interfere with medications. Could this ancient yellow spice offer even more healing possibilities? In addition to its potential against cancers, some research suggests turmeric may also help treat other common ailments. Studies indicate curcumin may boost gallbladder health and ease digestive issues like heartburn and irritable bowel syndrome. Turmeric may even aid kidney stones, eczema, and liver damage. The wide range of turmeric's health benefits being uncovered is remarkable. This vibrant spice was first prized for its flavor. Now we recognize its even more valuable role in wellness. In ancient times, turmeric was revered as the golden spice of life. But have we yet unlocked the full mysteries of this ancient remedy to harness its gifts in our modern age? Turmeric is available at most stores, identifiable by its earthy, spicy smell and bright golden orange color. When selecting fresh turmeric root, make sure it has no blemishes, cuts, or bruises. Turmeric roots that have a lot of blemishes or big dark marks might not taste as fresh or yummy. The smoother and more uniformly orange the turmeric is, the better it will be. Once home, store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks to maintain its potency and prevent spoilage. Adding turmeric to your meals is as easy as sprinkling a little magic. You can create golden milk, blend it into smoothies, or even add a dash to your morning eggs. But remember, like any powerful tool, it's important not to overuse it. So do you know the ideal daily dose of turmeric for harnessing its health benefits? Studies have shown that turmeric could be beneficial in doses ranging from 500 to 2,000 milligrams per day. Did you know that adding a pinch of another common household spice boosts turmeric's absorption by up to 20 times? To unlock turmeric's full potential, mix it with black pepper. But why is turmeric and black pepper such a powerful combination? Unfortunately, the curcumin in turmeric is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream. As a result, you could be missing out on its advantages to health. Black pepper contains a natural component called piperine, the same active component found in chili powder and cayenne pepper. Research supports that combining the piperine in black pepper with the curcumin in turmeric unlocks turmeric's golden healing powers, enhancing curcumin absorption by a whopping 2,000%. It's as if black pepper provides the key to unleash turmeric's powers. Boosting curcumin's absorption by that much is like the captain ordering full steam ahead, propelling the Titanic forward at remarkable speed. What's your favorite way to incorporate turmeric into your meals? Have you also experienced any health benefits from using it? What other everyday spices do you know that can have hidden health benefits like turmeric? Share with this community in the comment box below. And see you in the next video.